In this video I'm going to show you how to do the printhead alignment of your Epson EcoTank ET-2800 printer. Now the first step is to load the paper in the rear paper tray. Confirm it on the main screen. Go to the display panel. Scroll ahead and look for the maintenance. Scroll ahead and look for the printhead alignment and press OK. So we are going to do the vertical alignment. Press OK and click on the print icon. If you look on the printed sheet, you have to find the perfect square with the less amount of lines. Now go to the display panel and press OK to proceed. Now select the correct number. For #2, I can see the number 4 is best. For #3, number 1. So you can just change the numbers and press OK. This way you have to select it. So again, number 5. Next is to press OK. Next step is to do the horizontal alignment. So press OK on the alignment again and scroll ahead and click on the horizontal alignment and give a print command. On the horizontal alignment, find where the overlapping is not done. So you have to press OK and select the correct number and press OK. We just finished the alignment. So this way we can do the printhead alignment and improve the print quality. Thanks for watching.